Welcome back to Explain Cat. In this tutorial, we will know how to apply dimensions in Catia. In Catia, here is the tool for apply dimension, that is constraint. This is the constraint dialog box. If it is not available here, right click on it, this icon, and here select constraint, this one. I select right click, select constraint. It will be appear where is the empty space. It may be here or it may be here. You can place it anywhere. First of all, we have to create a rectangle. I draw a rectangle here. Now see here, this rectangle is in white color. White color indicates our sketch is under constraint. It have no dimensions. We can change it anywhere. Its shape and its position is under constraint. We have to define it or fixing it. First of all, I select here constraint. You can also apply constraint from here. Insert constraint. Here are some tools of constraint. This is the constraint tool. First of all, I select this constraint. Click on it. By double clicking on it, you can use it multiple times. I select this line. Click on here. By double clicking on this dimension, you can edit this dimension. I type here 80 mm. Same here, you can also select this line. Our constraint tool is activated because it is in orange color. I select this line and this line. Dimension from this line to this line. Click here. Now double click on this dimension or edit the dimension. I type here 70 mm. Now click on here. For exit the command, you can also press escape button from keyboard. Now this rectangle will not change its shape, but it is changing its position. For that we have to apply some dimension. Distance from here to here. I select constraint. I select this line to this line. Dimension 70.96. Double click on it. I select here 75 mm. Type 75. It will automatically select 75 mm. I select again constraint. Select this line and this line. Double click on it. 100 mm. Select OK. Now see here, this sketch is in green color. This green color indicates our sketch is fully constrained. If we apply more dimensions on it, it will change its color. See here, this is in pink color. The pink color indicates our sketch is over constrained. We have to delete this TMM dimension for fully constrained it. I suggest every time you have to select draw sketch from reference of origin. I select this point, first point, select here, second point. So see here, these two lines of rectangles are defined because these are constrained with this vertical line. This one is with horizontal line automatically if I select the reference from origin point. Now we have only give dimension to this and this line as the constraint. This line, double click on it, dimension 65 mm. Select OK. Again select constraint, select this line, click here, double click on it, 60 mm. See here, we only apply these two dimensions. Its position is defined because it is constrained with this center point. Now try circle. For apply dimensions in circle, select constraint, select circle. This is 73 mm diameter. Double click on it. Select here 70 mm diameter. Select OK. Double click on it. You can also select here radius. From here you can change the radius or diameter. I select diameter. Select OK. Right click on it and here select display as leader. See here, right click on it, select here radius 32 object and here select name display. See here radius 32. Right click on it, select here display without ladder. Right click on it, value radius. See here. Now here you can customize the radius, define it. Next is the angle. For that I select profile option, create a shape. Now I select constraint. I select this line and this line. Click here, double click on it. For customize the angle, I select angle 40 degree. Select OK. You can also select sectors for which it is from here to here in first sector. But actually it is not important. It will automatically fix its sector. For example, this time it will select sector 2. Now apply the constraint, I select this line and this line. Click here, double click on it. This time is also select sector 2, 89 degree. I select here 10 degree. I select here 50 degree. T 50 degree. See here. I select this line. Again I try the profile. Constraint. I select this line and this line. And then double click on it and type here 90 degree. Constraint. Select this line and this line. And then 26.561. 55 degree. This was the constraint, how to apply dimensions in Catia. In next tutorial we will discuss its other features. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe Explain Cat.